The Ukrainian Defense Forces continue to conduct an offensive operation in the Bakhmut, Melitopol and Berdyansk districts. In the Great Novosilka, Staromayorskoye and Novosilka, Staromayorskoye directions, they were successful. They gained a foothold on the achieved boundaries, inflict fire damage, and carry out counter-battery countermeasures. In the direction of Bakhmut, Ukrainian troops continue to conduct offensive operations to the north and south of the city of Bakhmut. During the fighting, the Russian occupiers were forced to retreat from their positions to the northeast of Orekhovo-Vasilyevka. Our soldiers have achieved partial success. They have gained a foothold on the achieved frontiers. The enemy puts up strong resistance, actively uses reserves and suffers huge losses. Heavy fighting continues. On the night of July 19th, Russian occupiers attacked Ukraine from the south, using air, land, and sea-based cruise missiles, as well as Iranian Shahed drones. Critical infrastructure and military facilities were attacked. Odessa was the main focus of the attack. During several waves of attacks, the enemy used 16 caliber sea-based cruise missiles, presumably from the Ingushetia small missile ship and the Admiral Essen frigate from the Black Sea, 8 X-22 cruise missiles from Tu-22M, 3 long-range aircraft from the Black Sea, 6 Onyx cruise missiles from the Bastion Coastal Missile System, Crimea, 1 X-59 guided aviation missile from a Su-35 fighter from the Black Sea, 32 Shahed-type attack drones from the Chauda test site, Crimea, and Primorsko-Akhtarsk, Rostov region. According to the results of combat operations, 37 air targets were destroyed by the air defense of the Air Force and air defense systems of other components of the Ukrainian Defense Forces, 13 caliber cruise missiles, 1 Kh-59 guided aviation missile, 23 attack drones, Shahed the strikes of the Kh-22 and Onyx missiles were aimed at the infrastructure of the Odessa region. Local military administrations will report on the consequences of these strikes and casualties. During the current and past days, the Air Force has carried out more than 20 airstrikes on objects, places of concentration of equipment and personnel of the Russian occupiers. During the past day, the Russian occupiers launched an air missile strike on the territory of Ukraine, using 6 caliber cruise missiles and 35 Iranian Shahed drones. 6 caliber cruise missiles and 31 drones were destroyed by the forces and means of T.